As you approach the milestone of turning 18, it's crucial to equip yourself with essential skills that will pave the way for a successful transition into adulthood. In this video, we'll explore key skills such as financial literacy, effective communication, time management, and critical thinking. These skills are not just buzzwords, they are foundational tools that will help you navigate the complexities of adult life. Mastering them can significantly impact your future, from managing your finances wisely to building meaningful relationships and making informed decisions. By investing time in developing these abilities now, you're setting yourself up for success in your personal and professional life. So let's dive in and discover how these essential skills can empower you as you step into this exciting new chapter. Understanding personal finance is vital for young adults as it lays the groundwork for a secure financial future. At its core, financial literacy involves mastering budgeting, saving, and managing expenses effectively. By creating a budget, you can track your income and expenditures, ensuring you live within your means. Saving is equally important. Setting aside funds for emergencies or future goals can provide peace of mind. Additionally, grasping concepts like credit scores and loans is essential, as they can significantly impact your ability to make major purchases, such as a car or a home. Starting to track your finances early can help you develop good habits and avoid pitfalls later on. Remember, the sooner you take control of your financial journey, the better prepared you'll be for the challenges ahead. Effective communication is essential in various settings, from personal relationships to professional environments. It encompasses both verbal and nonverbal techniques such as tone of voice, body language, and facial expressions, which all play a crucial role in conveying your message. Active listening is equally important. It shows respect and helps you understand others better, fostering stronger connections. To improve your public speaking skills, practice regularly, know your audience, and use visual aids to enhance your message. For interpersonal skills, focus on building rapport by being approachable and empathetic. Engaging in conversations and seeking feedback can also help you refine your communication style. By honing these skills, you'll not only express yourself more clearly, but also build meaningful relationships that can benefit you throughout your life. Mastering time management is crucial for achieving your goals and maintaining a balanced life. One effective way to prioritize tasks is by using tools like calendars and to-do lists. These tools help you visualize your commitments and break down larger projects into manageable steps. Setting clear goals and deadlines is equally important. They provide direction and motivation, ensuring you stay on track. Remember to categorize tasks by urgency and importance, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. However, it's essential to find a balance between work and leisure. Taking breaks and engaging in hobbies can recharge your mind and enhance productivity. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only manage your time more efficiently, but also create a fulfilling lifestyle that promotes both achievement and well-being. Critical thinking is invaluable in today's information-rich world, as it empowers you to analyze information and make informed decisions. One key aspect is questioning assumptions and evaluating sources. Not everything you read or hear is accurate, so it's essential to discern credible information from misinformation. For example, when considering a news article or a social media post, take the time to verify facts and understand different perspectives. Critical thinking also plays a significant role in everyday situations, such as resolving conflicts with friends or making choices about your education and career. Additionally, strong problem-solving skills are crucial in both personal and professional life, enabling you to tackle challenges effectively and creatively. By cultivating critical thinking, you'll enhance your decision-making abilities and navigate life's complexities with confidence. Being able to prepare simple meals is an essential life skill that can greatly enhance your independence and well-being. Mastering basic cooking techniques such as chopping, sautéing, and boiling allows you to create a variety of dishes with ease. Start with simple recipes like stir-fries, pasta, or omelets to build your confidence in the kitchen. Cooking at home offers numerous benefits, including healthier meal options and cost savings compared to eating out. Plus, it gives you control over ingredients, allowing you to cater to dietary preferences and restrictions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cuisines. Trying out new flavors and cooking styles can be a fun and rewarding experience. By developing your cooking skills, you'll not only nourish your body but also enjoy the creative process of making meals. Building professional relationships is crucial for personal and career growth. Connecting with peers and mentors can provide valuable insights, guidance, and support as you navigate your path. Start by reaching out to classmates, colleagues, or industry professionals. A simple coffee chat can lead to meaningful connections. In today's digital age, social media plays a significant role in networking. Platforms like LinkedIn allow you to showcase your skills, share your experiences, and connect with professionals in your field. Additionally, attending events, workshops, and conferences can expand your network and expose you to new opportunities. Engaging in communities, whether online or offline, fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing. By actively building your network, you'll create a support system that can open doors and enhance your career prospects in the long run. Prioritizing mental well-being is essential for leading a fulfilling life, especially as you transition into adulthood. Incorporating practices like mindfulness and stress management can significantly enhance your mental health. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and journaling help you stay grounded and reduce anxiety. It's also important to recognize that seeking help when needed is a sign of strength, not weakness. Breaking the stigma around mental health encourages open conversations and support among peers. Additionally, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial. Overworking can lead to burnout and negatively impact your mental state. Make time for hobbies, socializing, and relaxation to recharge your mind and body. By prioritizing self-care and mental health, you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges and enjoy a more balanced, happy existence. In this video, we've explored essential skills that every young adult should develop as they transition into adulthood. From financial literacy and effective communication to time management, critical thinking, basic cooking skills, and networking, each of these abilities plays a vital role in shaping your future. By mastering these skills, you'll be better prepared to navigate life's challenges and seize opportunities. I encourage you to start developing these skills today, whether it's creating a budget, practicing public speaking, or trying out a new recipe. Remember, the journey to self-improvement begins with small steps. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who might benefit from it. Together, let's empower ourselves and each other for a successful future.